In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to print your sales transactions easily and efficiently. Having a clear understanding of the steps can make managing your finances simpler and help you keep track of your business sales with greater ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to QuickBooks. You can do this by typing QuickBooks into your search bar and clicking on the correct link, or simply entering the URL directly if you have it handy. Once there, log into your account with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. For those who are already familiar, getting to the home page should be a piece of cake. Next, you'll want to navigate to the My Apps section on the platform. This section is designed to help you manage and interact with various applications connected to your QuickBooks account. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll need to locate and click on the Sales and Get Paid option, which is crucial for managing all things related to your sales transactions. Go ahead and click on Sales Transactions from this menu to access the pertinent details of your sales activities. Now that you've arrived at the Sales Transactions page, you'll be presented with a list of all recent transactions. Here, you should see a number of checkboxes next to each transaction. These are there to give you control over which transactions you want to select and manage. Check the box next to the specific transaction or transactions you wish to print. Once you've made your selections, look for a button labeled Batch Actions at the top or bottom of the list. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these, you will find the Print option. Clicking on Print will send the selected transactions to your printer. Ensure that your printer is connected and ready to go before executing the print command, as it will help avoid any last-minute hiccups. If everything is set up correctly, your sales transactions should start printing moments after you click. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you can manage and review your sales transactions whenever needed, keeping your business activities organized and up to date. Print copies can be invaluable for meetings, audits, or simply maintaining a physical record for your files. Remember that the key here is familiarity and routine. The more you perform this task, the quicker and more intuitive it will become. So that's the process, folks. It's straightforward but also essential, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to handle your sales records within QuickBooks like a pro. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master this feature with ease.